The lorikeet, a small to medium-sized parrot native to the Australasian region, is known for its vibrant plumage, energetic personality, and unique feeding habits. Lorikeets belong to the family Cetacidae and are part of the genus Trichoglossus, which includes a variety of species, each with its distinctive colors and characteristics. These birds are found primarily in Australia, New Guinea, and the surrounding islands, where they inhabit a wide range of environments, from rainforests and woodlands to coastal areas and urban regions. The lorikeet's colorful feathers, often in brilliant hues of red, blue, green, and yellow, make it one of the most visually striking species of parrot in the world. However, it is not just the lorikeet's appearance that makes it remarkable. Its behavior, diet, and role within ecosystems are equally fascinating. Known for their playful nature and strong social bonds, lorikeets are highly intelligent birds that engage in complex communication and are often observed in large, boisterous flocks. Their ability to adapt to a wide range of habitats, from dense forests to human settlements, speaks to their resilience and resourcefulness. But it is their feeding habits that truly set them apart from other parrots. Unlike most parrots that eat seeds and nuts, lorikeets have specialized tongues designed to feed on nectar, pollen, and fruit. This dietary preference is facilitated by their brush-tipped tongue, which allows them to extract nectar from flowers with great precision. As a result, lorikeets play an important ecological role as pollinators, much like bees, helping to maintain the health and diversity of the plants they feed on. Their vibrant plumage is not only beautiful but also serves an important purpose in their social structure and mating behaviors. During the breeding season, males will display their colorful feathers to attract females, often engaging in elaborate courtship rituals. These displays can involve dancing, vocalizations, and feeding offerings, all aimed at demonstrating the male's fitness as a potential mate. Once a pair has formed, they will work together to build a nest, typically in tree hollows or other sheltered spaces, where the female will lay a clutch of eggs. Both parents take an active role in raising the young, with the male often helping to feed the female during incubation and later providing food to the chicks once they have hatched. The lorikeet's diet is specialized for its role as a nectarivory. Their tongues, which are covered in tiny bristles, are perfectly suited for extracting nectar from flowers. The shape and structure of the lorikeet's tongue are key adaptations that allow them to feed efficiently on the sugary nectar of a wide variety of plants. In addition to nectar, lorikeets also consume pollen, soft fruits, and berries, and occasionally seeds. This varied diet makes them important in their ecosystems, as they help to pollinate flowers and disperse seeds. Their feeding habits are also linked to their social behavior. Lorikeets are highly social birds that are often seen in large groups, especially during the feeding season. These flocks can number in the hundreds, with birds chattering and calling to each other as they feed. The social structure of lorikeets is complex, with individuals forming strong bonds with their mates and family members. They communicate using a variety of vocalizations, including high-pitched calls and squawks, which serve to convey information about the availability of food, the presence of predators, and the location of nesting sites. In the wild, lorikeets are known to be highly active and often engage in playful behaviors. They are frequently seen hanging upside down from branches, darting through the trees, or chasing each other in midair. Their acrobatic skills and energetic flight patterns are a hallmark of their behavior. Lorikeets are also highly intelligent birds, capable of problem-solving and using tools. Studies have shown that lorikeets can manipulate objects in their environment to obtain food, and they are quick to learn new tasks and adapt to changes in their surroundings. This intelligence, combined with their social nature, makes them popular in captivity, where they can form strong bonds with their human caretakers. In their natural habitats, lorikeets are primarily found in tropical and subtropical environments, where there is an abundance of flowering plants. They are particularly associated with the rainforests of northeastern Queensland in Australia, where they are an integral part of the ecosystem. However, they are also found in urban areas, where they have adapted to living in parks and gardens, often feeding on the nectar of exotic plants such as grevilleas and bottlebrushes. The lorikeet's ability to adapt to different environments, including human settlements, has allowed it to thrive in a wide range of locations. In urban areas, lorikeets are often seen in large flocks, swooping through city parks and gardens in search of food. Their presence in these environments can be both a delight and a nuisance, as their loud calls and energetic feeding habits can cause damage to trees and flowers. Despite this, lorikeets are generally well liked in the communities where they reside, thanks to their colorful appearance and entertaining antics. The rainbow lorikeet, Trichoglossus mollucanus, is one of the most well-known species of lorikeet, thanks to its stunning plumage and widespread distribution in Australia. The rainbow lorikeet is a particularly striking bird, with its bright green body, blue wings, yellow-orange breast, and vibrant red head. This species is commonly found in urban areas, where it has adapted well to life in parks, gardens, and suburban neighborhoods. The rainbow lorikeet is a noisy and sociable bird, often seen in large flocks, feeding on nectar, fruit, and flowers. Its high-pitched calls can be heard echoing through the trees, and it is known for its acrobatic flying skills as it moves between branches and flowers. The rainbow lorikeet is a favorite among birdwatchers, who marvel at its beauty and behavior. Another popular species of lorikeet is the scaly-breasted lorikeet, Trichoglossus chlorolepidotus, which is also found in Australia, particularly along the eastern coast. The scaly-breasted lorikeet is smaller than the rainbow lorikeet and has a distinctive green and yellow plumage with a scaly appearance on its chest. This species is also known for its noisy calls and energetic feeding behavior. Like other lorikeets, the scaly-breasted lorikeet feeds on nectar, fruit, and pollen, and it is often seen in flocks in urban and rural areas alike. The black-capped lorikeet, Trichoglossus haematidus, is another species found in the Australasian region, particularly in New Guinea and nearby islands. This species is slightly less colorful than the rainbow lorikeet, with a more subdued green and yellow plumage. Despite its more muted colors, the black-capped lorikeet is still a striking bird, with its dark crown and face providing a contrast to the rest of its colorful body. The black-capped lorikeet is also highly social, living in large flocks that feed on nectar, fruits, and flowers. The lorikeet's social structure is an important part of its behavior. These birds are highly gregarious and are rarely seen alone. Flocks can number in the dozens or even hundreds, especially during the non-breeding season when food is abundant. Lorikeets are known to roost together in large, communal groups, often in the dense foliage of trees. These roosting sites provide safety from predators and a place for the birds to socialize. During the day, the lorikeets will forage for food in the trees, often traveling in groups from one flowering plant to the next. The social nature of lorikeets extends to their mating behaviors as well. They are monogamous, forming strong pair bonds that last for the duration of the breeding season. The male lorikeet will court the female by performing a series of displays, including offering food, puffing out his feathers, and making soft vocalizations. Once a pair has formed, they will work together to build a nest, usually in a tree hollow or in dense foliage. The female will lay a clutch of 1 to 3 eggs, which both parents will incubate. The chicks hatch after about 25 to 30 days, and both parents will take turns feeding and caring for the young. As the chicks grow, they become more independent, eventually leaving the nest after about 8 to 10 weeks. While lorikeets are primarily found in the wild, they are also popular in captivity, where they are kept as pets or in aviaries. In captivity, lorikeets are known for their playful and curious nature, and they often develop strong bonds with their human caretakers. Their high intelligence and social behavior make them interactive pets, and they can be trained to perform a variety of tricks and behaviors. However, lorikeets also require specialized care due to their unique dietary needs. In captivity, lorikeets are typically fed a diet of nectar, fruits, and vegetables, as well as specially formulated lorikeet food to ensure they receive the necessary nutrients. They also require ample space to fly and exercise, as they are active birds that need stimulation to remain healthy and happy. Despite their popularity as pets, lorikeets face several challenges in the wild. Habitat loss, especially in urbanized areas, poses a significant threat to their populations. As human settlements expand and forests are cleared for agriculture and development, lorikeet populations are forced to move into smaller and more fragmented habitats. In some areas, lorikeets are also at risk of disease, such as the avian psittacosis, which can be transmitted between birds in close contact. Conservation efforts are underway to protect lorikeets and their habitats, with many species being monitored and studied to better understand their behavior and needs. In conclusion, the lorikeet is a remarkable and charismatic bird known for its brilliant colors, social nature, and important role as a pollinator. Whether in the wild or in captivity, lorikeets continue to captivate and inspire those who encounter them. Their adaptability, intelligence, and beauty make them one of the most beloved species of parrots in the world.